Hi. First of all, congratulations upon buying Learn How to Speak English Fluently, one of the best books to learn English speaking skills. Now you have decided to improve your English speaking skills. Let me tell you how to make the most out of this book. First, complete all speaking practice assignments. This book is not a magic stick to improve your English speaking skills. You will improve your English speaking skills by completing all English speaking practice assignments. These assignments will help you observe, measure, and improve your performance. And every step will help you to improve your English speaking skills. So make sure you complete each speaking practice assignment to get the best result. Second, a little madness. You require little madness. What do I mean by this? Whenever you are alone in your room or in a washroom, start speaking English. You don't have any excuse for content. You can speak non-stop practice. You can speak your daily routine. You can speak any small story or joke. You can speak your past incidents. You can speak anything. It doesn't matter. You go to speak English whenever you have time. If you follow this tactic alone, you will find gems in your improvement and you will be able to improve your English speaking skills very quickly. Third, whenever you have any challenge or problem, send your queries to yourcareer.gurgaon@gmail.com and you will find solution to all your queries on this page. Thank you.